Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a Java project on travel management system. Let us begin. Let us first see the requirements. You will be requiring a Java IDE. You can choose any IDE of your choice and a swing module to create a good looking interface. Let us now understand the working of the source code. Here is my main method. I am passing an object of travel class. It's a GUI form. So to create one, you need to go over here in the project package, click on new, click on swing UI designer and then click on GUI form. Two files will be generated, the .form file for the UI and the .java file for the code. Let's see our UI first. This is the UI and this is my panel. I have named it as travel panel and provided margins over here. Okay, you can see the margins are present and the field name is travel panel. These are the text fields which are named as one second, the name data, the number and the to from. Okay, the package is this is the combo box and you can enter the data over here by going under this category model, click over here and you can add the data. Okay, and I have named it as package data, and this is a JText area where I have entered the this particular data which says packages we provide. This is the name of the package, the silver package. It's of 30,000 rupees and whatever it includes. Okay, and this is the gold package of 50,000 and it includes this tourist sites, a tour guide and the luxury hotel, etc. Okay, so now and this is the button over here and you can add the functionality by going over here onto the button, click on create listener. Now let's move to the UI part. The .java file, the code. This is the class and these fields will be automatically generated once you design the panel. This is the JDate chooser and this is the object of JDate chooser and this is the object of JFrame class. Over here is our constructor. Using this travel f object, we can call this set of methods which are required so that whenever you create the object of travel class, this form appears onto the screen. To get the form at the center of the screen, you need this method set location relative to, and it is set to null, and set visible is set to true so that the panel is visible, and set contain pane requires a jpanel, so we'll be providing the panel over here which we have named as travel panel. Okay, and this particular method ensures that whenever this close button, okay, over here close button that will be present onto this frame once I run the program. Okay, so that if that is pressed, then stop the execution of the code. Okay, let's now talk about the add button. This is the code and we are checking if the name and the number and the all the fields are uh, present or not. Okay, if they are null, if the date has not been chosen or anything, if they are null, then pop up a message using this JOption pane class, and using this method we'll pass this data, please fill all fields to book. Okay, else if the user has entered everything, else it will first we'll initialize this string variable with this query. With this is our query, this is the travel is the name of the table and these are the attributes, and we'll be using prepare statement to run this query, so this is the syntax for it. Now build the connection like this and pass your URL. This will be the URL and user and the password. Now we'll be using this prepare statement to run our query, this particular query, and we'll use this statement object and call these methods set string set. Okay, these are our set string. So the attributes over here are all strings. If they are integer, then we'll call set int. Okay, and this is the date. We'll be formatting the date uh, uh, the way we require it. Okay, so we do not want the time as well, so we'll format it first and then save it. So at the first index, our first column name is name. Okay, now in that, name data will be stored, and in the second column our number is present, so number will be stored. We'll extract the data from the text fields. This is also a text field, so we'll extract the data and store it into the third column. Now into the fourth column our date is there, so we'll format it and then save it. And into the fifth column our combo box is present, so using this get selected item you can extract the data and then save it. Now finally calling execute update, popping up the message booking done successfully, and details has been shared with agency. Okay, so and now we are setting all the text fields to null. Okay, catching exception if there is any, and popping the desired message. Okay, this was it. So we are adding over here. Now let's run our program. Okay, so this is the UI, you can see, and let's add one name. Let's say Ansh, and his number, and let's say he wants to book tickets from Goa to Delhi. Okay, he wants to go from Goa to Delhi. Then he'll choose either silver package or gold package, and then press on to this button. Okay, please fill all fields to add record. So travel date hasn't been chosen, so it pops up the error. So let's say I select 11th. Okay, so and I have chosen the gold package, so it's a stay for 5 nights and 6 days. Okay, it will be shared with the agency. Okay, the book now booking done successfully, details has been shared with the agency. Okay, now to check it if it has been sent, let's see our database. Okay, so this was present over there initially. Okay, one booking was there with this package, silver package. Now let's check the database. Okay, now there is another entry Ansh, and the number is present, and this is the uh, place where he wants to visit, the Delhi from Goa, and date and package is silver. Okay, this is working. I hope you understood the working of the code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting project ideas.